Very good afternoon, students. In this lecture of digital image processing, we are going to discuss the next topic, that is the image restoration. In the previous lecture, we discussed about what is the image, how to enhance the image by using the image enhancement process. Image acquisition is also done. Image enhancement process is to be done, that is to be enhanced with the concepts like the spatial domain and the frequency domain filtering we also done. Now the next concept is the image restoration. इमेज रेस्टोरेशन वर्ड से ही मीनिंग पता चल रहा है, इमेज को रीस्टोर करना टू द ओरिजिनल इमेज, और उसमें कोई क्वालिटी में डिग्रेडेशन आ गई है, क्वालिटी में लॉसेस आ गए हैं, उसको इम्प्रूव करना, दैट इज़ द इमेज रेस्टोरेशन प्रोसेस. सो what it means that to reconstruct or to recover the degraded image. What is the meaning of degraded image? Degraded image is any image that have lost its quality due to the different reason. For example, the surroundings of surrounding area, when we are capturing any image, then the light effects are play a vital role, and also the circumstances, and due to the noise, due to the camera quality, so the image quality may be lost. So to recover the degraded image, lower quality image को recover करना by using a period knowledge मतलब to historical knowledge of the degraded phenomena. Clear? So what approach is to be used for this process? The model of degradation and apply the inverse process. So mainly the degradation model is to be used, that we will discuss further. So the spatial domain restoration and the frequency domain restorations are to be applied in case of image restoration. So in other word, we can also discuss this term as to recover an image that has been degraded by the degradation phenomena. So the restoration techniques are oriented toward modeling the degradation and then applying the inverse process in order to recover the original image. Clear? So as we discuss in the image enhancement, the main purpose of enhancement is to enhance the image quality. Similarly, the image restoration main process is to improve the image in some predefined senses. So now the in the mind we have the question that image enhancement has the same process to enhance an image restoration has the same process to restore the image with the good quality. So what is the difference between image restoration and the image enhancement? So the image restoration, if we talk about, it is an objective process. What is the objective process? It means that we get some output. To get some output, we have get some desired result. For example, we have some values, and we apply that values. By increasing the contrast value, we get some results. By applying the RGB models with the different values of red, green and blue, by applying the different value from range from 0 to 255, we get the different output. So different result of an image we get, that is the objective process, in which we get some desired result. So image enhancement is the subjective process. सब्जेक्टिव मीन्स कि हम हिस्टोरिकल हिस्ट्री के बेसिस पे उसके आउटकम्स को ले रहे हैं, हिस्टोरिकल नॉलेज की बेसिस पे रिजल्ट्स ला रहे हैं. क्लियर? जैसे कि हमने हिस्टोग्राम किया था, ठीक है, तो हिस्टोग्राम इक्वलाइजेशन की थी, उसमें क्या था, हिस्टोरिकल जो पहले वैल्यूज़ थी, इंटेंसिटी वैल्यूज़ थी, उनके बेसिस पे नेक्स्ट जो एनहांसमेंट कर रहे थे उस बेसिस पे कर रहे थे. दैट इज़ द सब्जेक्टिव प्रोसेस. सो image enhancement is the subjective process and image restoration is the objective process. So next difference is formulates a criteria of goodness that will yield an optimal estimate of the desired result. So With this objective approach, we get some desired output. Desired output means we get some optimal solution. Clear? So, in image enhancement process, it involve the heuristic procedure that are desired to manipulate an image in order to satisfy the human visual system. Clear? Now, then the third difference is in case of image restoration, the techniques include noise removal and de-blurring, removal of image blur, which means that जब हम इमेज को रिस्टोर करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल कि इसमें हमने मेन डेफिनेशन में क्या पढ़ा कि रिकवर करते हैं डिग्रेडेड इमेज को। डिग्रेडेड इमेज कौन सी थी? कि जिस इमेज की क्वालिटी लॉस हो जाए due to the various reasons. So in this, to improve the degraded image, we use some techniques that are the spatial domain and the frequency domain. So in case of spatial domain techniques, we are using the noise removal methods. Clear? And in case of frequency domain, we are using the deblurring method for the removal of the image blurriness. Clear? Some techniques, these techniques are to be used in the image restoration, and in case of image enhancement, we use the techniques like the contrast stretching. Contrast stretching में क्या था? We increase, we enhance the image, or enhance the contrast of an image by increasing or stretching the intensity values, that we previously discussed this in case of image enhancement we discussed this topic. So these are the some of the differences of the image restoration and the image enhancement, and the main topic is now we further discuss about the image restoration model.